Today we are at 422 West Legion Avenue, one of Columbia's newest listings, and we are so excited to show you the inside. But before we do that, I want to talk about this convenient location that is right here in the heart of Columbia. You are walking distance to Main Street in downtown and just seconds from Route 3 that'll get you just about anywhere quick. Right off the foyer, we have this great open space. Currently, we have an office and a formal dining room, but really you could use these spaces for just about anything. The possibilities are endless here to maybe make this another living room, or you could put a wall up here and make this another bedroom if you need to. Check out this amazing kitchen. All of these white cabinets, countertops, sink, flooring, appliances, everything was redone just a few years ago, and they also added a pantry. This is just an awesome kitchen that you would not expect to see in a house of this age. So many renovations have happened over the last few years here, and the sellers have done a great job. One of them being this amazing living room that is right off the kitchen, and wait till you see that fireplace. It is so beautiful. Incredible patio right here off the living room. This concrete was brand new last year. It leads all the way to the backyard to a very nice, flat and fenced yard. There's so many features and updates that we want to take time to show you. So give us a call and we can give you a private showing anytime.